What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, with all of the negativity that has been going on in the crypto market, in the stock market, in just the world in general, right? Um, I wanted to take this time to talk about the crypto market and talk about how we are seeing this positivity that's, kind of, shining light over us for the last couple of days. And yesterday, some people believe that that was a little pump or a fake pump or a fake breakout, a fake out breakout, as some people like to call it. And then they're also saying the same thing about today. Now, my overall prediction and where I thought things would start to run or start to show some signs of life would be the end of the second quarter 2022. Now, we still have about 9 days for that to take place, and we are seeing a little bit of positivity. Now, are we going to see that? It's still up in the air, right? So we're going to talk about this, and we're going to talk about the market and where things are going, where I believe things are going. This is all going through my eyes and what I see from the past as well as what's going on in the present. So we're going to factor everything that we've heard from different videos, everything that we've read from different videos, and hopefully give a valid opinion. Now, we are in a unique situation, so we'll get into that. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there, get some updates on cryptocurrencies and some stocks as well, depending on what the day is and if I decide to post about that stuff. But let's talk about this, right? Because the crypto market looks really good today, which we will get into numbers and show you how everything is functioning, how everything is playing out. But I wanted to sit here and talk to you guys about a number of things that I've, been looking at when it comes to articles and it comes to information. A bunch of people are saying that we're still going to see lows and we expect this to drop down to 12,000, 10,000, $5,000 when it comes to Bitcoin itself, right? We're not really going to focus on specific positions, but when it comes to the entire market, Bitcoin really runs the crypto market. So we have to focus on Bitcoin in order to see everything else make those moves. But a lot of people believe that Bitcoin will make that fall or that drop off of a cliff and drop down to 12,000 or drop down to 10,000 or 5,000. And my opinion is I actually think that things are over when it comes to the drop. Now, anything could happen. We could see everything, play out the way that they believe it to play out. I could be right. They could be right. And, either one of us is probably going to say, I told you so. And you know what? If they say, I told you so, I'll say, I accepted it. That's okay. I have plans for both sides of things, but I do want to tell you where I believe that things are going to go. So I believe that, we are seeing the very bottom of this crypto market, of, this bear market, where Bitcoin dropped down to about $17,000. That seems like it is the very bottom after recovery up to 21,000, and seeing things drop down, basically a 70% decrease from the high all the way down to these lows that we've seen. It's about a 75% decrease. So with all that being said, and I say this is falling down and this is going to now recover and it hit its bottom, a lot of people don't accept this because of history. History has shown that when the crypto market falls or it hits a bear market, it falls 80 to 90%, right? The first fall we saw, it was like 90 plus percent. Then we saw 83 or 84%, then 80 plus percent again. And now we're in this market right now where a lot of people believe that we're going to fall 80 to 90%. Well, just know that we've already fallen 70%. Does that mean that we still have 10 more percent to go based on history? Well, you have to factor some other things into it. And I think what we need to factor into it is the amount of people that are getting into the crypto market or got into the crypto space in the last bull run, right? A lot of people have made their way into the crypto market. A lot of different exchanges have made it available for, a ton of countries to invest into the crypto market. It's more accessible for a lot of people. So people are able to buy cryptocurrency and hold cryptocurrency, new forms of staking and holding and, basically holding on for 90 days or 180 days. You have these new forms of, cryptocurrencies out there, protocols and everything that's out there. And the way that you need to look at it now is that you have more volume, more popularity, more people within it. So you're probably going to see less of a fall throughout this bear market. So that's where my mindset was instead of seeing a 90% or 80% decrease, I thought at most we would see a 70 to 75% decrease. And that's exactly what we've seen, down to $17,000, 70 plus percent decrease from the highs. So it looks good to me. It looks like it's all falling in line, and now we're going to see this recovery. Now, the only thing that we are really, or we really need to focus on, is the fact that we have this recession that could come into play, and that recession could decrease the market a lot more, right? So that's a really big problem. But my overall prediction is that this is going to be the start of a bullish market, or to see some consolidation at some of these levels, right? Until we see that bullish market, right? We hit the bottom. We increased a little bit from where the bottom is. We're consolidating, and then we're going to see that increase. Maybe this month we could see a quick consolidation, and also a quick rise. Or we can also see a long consolidation or drawn out consolidation with a drawn out rise throughout the next year or even year and a half. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Now, let's get into the crypto market. I know you've been waiting to see actual numbers. We're already 6 minutes in. If we look at where the crypto market is, it's up about 5% today, up to about a $1 trillion market cap, which I do see as a major resistance point. I don't know if it did get there today. I haven't been looking at the crypto market as much today. I have been focused on if we are positive or negative, but we are positive. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is up to $21,180 or $21,190 or so. And you're looking at Ethereum, that's up to 1,150. Basically, it's up 4%. If we look at BNB, that's up almost 5%. Cardano is up 1.6%. XRP is up 5%. Solana is up 10%. Dogecoin is up 15% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu is up 45% in the last 24 hours, which we can definitely talk about in another video. But up 45%, that's a big one, and it found a way to get back into the top 15, based on market cap. We can see here the Uniswap is up 18%. Kronos is up another 5.5%. So things are making some moves, right? That's why I really like the crypto market, right? I feel like it functions, it flows independently, or at least it should flow independently. But we'll see how all of this plays out, because again, it's kind of a guessing game. I'm not going to say that I know everything. I'm not going to say that I'm 100% right in this situation. I just feel like with the amount of people that have invested in the crypto market, it doesn't make sense how it will drop 90% because of the new, cryptocurrencies that are out there, the new protocols, the new proof of stake, right? Being able to stake something for a long period of time and holding it, something like crypto.com, where you're holding all of these different cryptocurrencies, not only just specific currencies like Cardano or something, but you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, you're staking it over there, you're doing as much as you can in order to gather APY and gather some sort of extra, passive income or so, but you have to hold on to it for a lengthy period of time. So it's not something that people are willing to completely let go, right? So anyways, you let me know what you're thinking about the crypto market. Has it hit its bottom? Do you feel like it still has a ways to go, or are you just hoping for it to drop more so that you can buy in at some of these lows? Because I bought a lot of these lows that I've seen. I bought CRO at 10 cents or 11 cents. It was on the verge of hitting 11 cents. I've bought, Shiba Inu. I've bought, not Terra Luna, but Luna 2.0 at some of the lows that they were there. I'm buying different positions at the lows that I see. And I like what I'm doing here. So anyways, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I read all of them. I can't comment because people get scammed by whoever these scammers are that YouTube has that allows, or I guess they allow them to comment. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.